Hey everyone, excited to be here today. This will be a masterclass on Shopify offers and why you need to establish your offer before you do anything else on your landing page. A lot of Shopify owners believe that to sell more, it comes down to design, copy, even the ad itself. What actually matters and does the heavy lifting for your e-commerce sales funnel is your offer. This is the cornerstone and foundation for why people are even clicking onto your site. My name is Alex Momeni, and I'm the founder of Convert Sale, where we've helped over 40 Shopify brands sell more product on their stores while reducing their ad spend. In this video, I'm going to show you the foundation of getting more sales and higher conversion rates, which is by crafting a winning offer. It's important to think creatively about how your products can be sold, and you really need to test new offers to truly scale your brand. Let's get into the masterclass and show you how to create a winning offer. Getting into it, a lot of your success in Shopify and e-commerce with your brand, it's going to really come down to the offer. What are you offering to the customer, to the users? And having the right offer is really the foundation. It is the 80-20 of what's going to get you higher conversions, higher AOV, higher revenue per session. You could have your ads dialed in, you could have winning creatives, you could have your email flows going top notch, but none of it is going to really matter if your home base, your website just doesn't stack up and is not fully optimized. For the offers, I broke it down into good, better, best. Standard offers, what a lot of brands do, is just your basic discount, offer 20% off, 30% off. Better, I would say, is a BOGO, which is buy one, get one free or discounted. You'll see a lot of times stores do a site-wide discounts. For instance, Labor Day sale or holiday sale or Valentine's, there's site-wide discounts, Independence Day or Christmas sale for the whole month. What are the best offers you can have for your store? These are the offers that are going to really get you 5% conversion rate or more, get you that higher AOV increase of 30% or more. These offer types are quantity breaks, free gift with a purchase, bundles, free trial, and subscriptions. If you're not testing these offer types, your market share is going to drastically shrink. And it's going to get harder and harder to compete as your competitors increase their market share. Now, getting into details of each offer type and why they make sense, starting with the first one, quantity breaks. Quantity break offer is having multiple options with different quantities of the same product. The customer benefit of that is the more you buy, the more you save, because the higher quantity comes with greater savings or a bonus. I recommend keeping it to 3 options. Price the middle option just above the smallest. This psychologically makes the user think they're getting a lot more value for less. This offer type is great for consumables, short lifespan products, food, beverage, personal care, supplements, cleaning supplies, office supplies, pet food, litter, skincare, makeup, as well as wellness products. Next is the free gift with purchase offer. A customer gets a free gift or multiple gifts when they purchase the product. By framing it as a bonus, this increases the perceived value of the product. So the benefit for the customer is that when they see something as a bonus, they think this product is more valuable. This SKU is more valuable. I need to buy into this right away. The free gift should be complementary to what they're already buying. It works as long as the free gift is complementary to what they're buying. The customer is here mainly for the main product. So as long as the gift is something they can actually use, the customer will see the value in it. And this is great for consumables, tech, gaming, really all types of products. Pretty much any niche, you can find a way to offer some sort of free gift. Third is bundles. This is a pre-built combo or build your own bundle of products. This is priced in a way that has greater savings compared to each of those products purchased individually. The products essentially become more than the sum of their parts. Some great examples of these are fantastic ways to bring new customers into your ecosystem. Find ways to make a sample, a welcome kit, mix a bunch of different SKUs that complement each other to just reel customers in and give them a taste of your brand so then you can win them long term with other offer types. And why does it work? Bundles are a great way to increase AOV and margin. You can also use them to pair best-selling products with not so popular products to shift more inventory of the not so popular products. There's also opportunities to combine physical and digital products together in bundles, which also improves margin because it's not going to cost you that much to make a digital product. So if you add the digital product into the bundle, that's free benefit to your customer. And an example of the digital product is a how-to guide, for instance, or a YouTube video, PDF guide you can pair with the bundle. And bundles are great for consumables, supplements, skincare, coffee, all types of products, wellness as well, tech. Next is the free trial offer. This is basically free product for the customer to try. This offer is usually just a front end magnet to fuel a back end offer. The front end is usually a loss leader, while the back end is highly profitable. Here, the customer gets free product and a chance to become a long-term customer, improving lifetime value. If the product cost is very low and you have high margins, you can acquire customers for that low cost. That also lowers your customer acquisition cost. These are great for consumables and brands with a subscription program. And last is subscriptions. Subscriptions are pretty self-explanatory. It's a recurring service where customers automatically receive a product at regular intervals, often at a discounted rate. So they can get the product ordered and delivered once a month, once every 2 months, once every 3 months, every 6 months, and so forth. With subscriptions, customers gain convenience, savings, and a steady supply of their preferred products without needing to reorder manually. It just does it automatically. A good app to use for this on Shopify is Recharge. Why does this offer type work? It builds customer loyalty and lifetime value, reducing the chance of churn by creating an ongoing relationship between customers and brands. Subscription offers are for the long haul, for months, for years, and so forth. These are great for consumables, personal care items, wellness, wherever frequent repurchase is normal and convenient. Next, we're going to get into combining offers. These offer types are all great, but even better is if you can find ways to creatively combine these offer types, thus getting more juice out of the squeeze and boosting what they can do for you. Imagine having one of these offers, then imagine having 2 or even 3 combined, what that would do for your business, your margins, your AOV, your customer lifetime value. You're going to keep a lot more customers in your funnel for the long term. It's such a no-brainer that you need to be testing these offers. Once you're testing these offers, the next step is to find ways where you can combine them. And at this point, you've likely seen the crossover between the different offer types by now. You can go beyond a single type of offer to combine and layer offers by stacking different structures to increase the perceived value even further. Make sure to only layer offers where it makes sense and doesn't complicate the offer for the customer. Simplicity always wins. You want to keep friction as low as possible. Always keep it simple. A good business will use one of these offers. A great business will figure out how to layer effectively and have multiple offers combined. Start with the easiest things and test from there. The one that is the easiest for most brands to start and test is the quantity break offer. That's why I always recommend my clients and prospects start with a quantity break offer as soon as you can. If that's not a good fit, then do a free gift offer and test variations of that. Try to get people into your funnel and then go from there. Some examples of combining offers. Javi Coffee does a fantastic job of the free gift plus the build your own bundle. Early Bird does their nightcap starter kit plus free bonuses, free shipping, free ebook, free cocktail shaker, plus the quantity break offer, as well as Jot Coffee does a welcome kit plus free gift. And here you can see them in action. For BYOB, this is Javi Coffees. They do a great job of combining the build a bundle plus the free gifts. You see here 4 bottles, 3, 2, 1, as well as all these free gifts that you get on top of that. This is Early Bird with combining the quantity break with the bundle, with the free gift, with the free shipping as well. There's just a whole lot going on here. And I keep that CTA nice and big. They really make you focus on the quantity breaks that you select here, keeping it super simple as possible. They really did a great job here. And then last is Jot Coffee. Jot Coffee actually has a 2-step funnel. They have a 2-step landing page, which is really cool. But for our purposes here, it's the bundle plus the free gift offer. It comes with the welcome gift, the Jot tablespoon, and then you can click here to customize it with the black coffee or the flavored. It's a really nice and simple way of combining it while keeping that friction low and not giving too many choices at the same time. Next, I've got examples for every single offer type I mentioned earlier. There's a lot of examples in here. I recommend going through this doc. I'm going to link this doc in the description below. Make sure you check that out. I did a previous video where I went into the bundle offers in great detail. Make sure you now when it comes to offers on Shopify and for your business, we went into different offer types. But what about products at different price points? Low AOV products. It's important to not just talk about the offer types, but also what is the goal? When people come to your landing page or website, where do you want to drive them from? Depending on now, when comparing high AOV and low AOV ecom products, it's important to tailor the conversion strategy based on the price point and decision making process required for each offer type. Here's a breakdown of the key differences and similarities, along with reasons for the different approaches you should take. For high AOV products, what is the goal of the user journey? The primary conversion goal should be to drive users to book a call with your team as soon as possible. This is because high AOV products often require a more complex decision-making process, as customers need assurance about the product's value, quality, and potential return on investment. Direct purchases are less common here due to that high cost. So it's important to fostering personalized, trust-building conversations via phone calls can improve conversions significantly. Important to push for that call instead of getting them to check out as soon as possible. You want to really talk to the user on the phone, level with them, see what their pain points are, see where their interest level is at. That's how you're going to really sell them on those high AOV products. Having a strong emphasis on educational content, testimonials, and case studies here is crucial. High ticket items need detailed content that demonstrates the product's benefits and return on investment. Providing content like demo videos, social proof from industry leaders, and thorough product details helps customers justify the expense. Customers to see the call as an opportunity to learn more, get personalized recommendations, and address any objections. Trust building elements should be at the forefront here. Detailed fact sections, certifications, in-depth product comparisons, and live chat options can help address common objections and concerns. By creating an environment where potential buyers feel fully informed, they're more likely to see value in taking the next step, and that is booking a call. Remarketing for high AUV products should focus on nurturing leads over time, using ads and emails to remind them of the value proposition. Testimonials, educational content, and special offers for booking a call can help nudge these customers to reconnect with your brand until they're ready to make that purchasing decision. Next, what about low AOV products? The goal with low AOV products is to encourage an immediate purchase through a streamlined checkout process. These items generally involve a lower commitment from the buyer. Reducing friction and simplifying the journey from product page to checkout is vital. For the offer structure and content strategy, focus on clear, immediate benefits and a persuasive call to action to drive purchases without overwhelming the customer. Quantity breaks, limited time discounts, or bundle options work well because they allow customers to make a quicker, risk-free decision. Brief testimonials, key features, direct language, video reviews can keep the product appealing without requiring extensive education. How to build trust and address objections. Low AOV products benefit from trust signals like product ratings, fast shipping icons, and easy return policies, as well as money-back guarantees. The goal is to reassure customers quickly without overloading them with information, as they're less likely to need extensive reassurance for lower cost items. How about remarketing and nurturing strategies? Low AOV products benefit from more immediate remarketing strategies such as cart abandonment emails, time-sensitive offers, and upsell or cross-sell options to drive users back to a quick purchase. And in case you were wondering, what are the similarities between both AOV types? From a trust and value perception, establishing trust and creating a clear value perception is essential. The difference is in the depth and nature of this trust building. So high AOV products need a whole lot more trust. You're going to need a lot more listicles, SEO strategies. It's going to be a longer sales cycle than low AOV products. Both AOV types require effective CTAs. For high AOV, the CTA may be to book a call or request a consultation, while for low AOV, it's more direct, such as buy now or add to cart. Remember, both strategies benefit from personalization. For high AOV, it leans towards a consultative approach, while for low AOV, it could include product recommendations based on user behavior. The too long didn't read version of this is high AOV offers should focus on booking calls to allow for more in-depth sales conversations, trust building, and personalized service. Meanwhile, low AOV products should simplify the path to purchase, leaning on direct and appealing offers that encourage immediate action. Now, getting into the action steps, for high AOV products, you need to get users to book a call ASAP, focus on educational content, listicle landing pages, testimonials, case studies, demo videos, etc. Detailed FAQ, certifications, in-depth product comparisons, and live chatbots. Use ads and emails to nurture them over time. Like I said earlier, it is a longer sales cycle with high AOV products. For low AOV products, get users to purchase immediately, reduce friction on your landing pages, have clear, immediate benefits, and a strong call to action without overwhelming users. Include concise trust signals like star ratings, fast, free shipping icons, money back guarantees, and remarket with cart abandoned emails, flows, time sensitive offers, upsells, cross sells, and what are the similarities between high AOV and low AOV. Make sure you always test and build your landing pages with Replo. Replo is a low-code page builder for Shopify. It is the best page builder app for Shopify. Make sure you are building and testing all your new landing pages with Replo. I am a Replo partner, and they just make building landing pages so much easier, so much more effective, so much more efficient. It is a low-code page builder app for Shopify. You can run A/B tests, split test. They have analytics now. They even have their own experiments function where you can do the A/B tests within Replo, not even your ad platform anymore. So it is a fantastic app. I recommend every single Shopify brand owner to be using Replo ASAP. And some examples for high AOV products and offers. This is a client page. I redid their homepage for quick signage. They are a brand making custom signs for storefronts, for retail storefronts like Fendi, Gucci, all types of shops in America. So we redid their homepage on Replo app. And this is a great example of the high AOV offer and funnel. So the offer in the CTA was to get your free quote now. It'll take you to another page where you have to input your email and phone number. Retail signs are expensive products, so it makes sense to get on the phone and email with the customer as soon as possible instead of directing them to the checkout. Another one here is boats and yachts. If you're trying to sell boats or yachts, you would have the same type of flow where you want to collect their email, name as soon as possible. And similar to those, a couple other high AOV clients one was Bijou Build. So they have their mainstay playground set for kids. So that's a $600 product. So that is in high AOV territory. For Bijou Build, because it's on that cusp, we did push it add to cart. In that boat and yacht realm, another client I had was Los Sueños Fishing Tours. They are a fishing tour service in Costa Rica, and they basically offer fishing tours for Americans who are in Costa Rica or who are traveling and visiting there, and they want to go on a nice fishing and boat tour. We did 2 versions to test their landing page, texting the actual captain on WhatsApp, and the second was filling out the form. We found that for their specific business model, it made sense to keep the form. More users responded. We had better success and better conversions from the form page, so it turned out that more users actually wanted to first fill out the form and then get in touch with the captain as opposed to just contacting the captain directly. So that's why building landing pages is super crucial. You need to really test how your customer is going to respond. An example here for chatbots, one is on Peloton's website. They have a nice and easy chatbot right here, as well as Nordic Asanas. They've got a chatbot as well. Makes you feel like you're getting in touch with a real person. That's another way to start the conversation with your users, your customers. Just get them in your funnel, get them in your pipeline, and collect their information as well. And to finish this all off, I have another breakdown of all the offer types I mentioned previously in this video, so you can see more details for each offer type and visually what it looks like. I have another breakdown of low versus high AOV products. You can read more details about it here, as well as see an example of what it would look like. And remember, like I said before, I'm going to link this doc in the description below, so make sure to access this doc. This doc is totally free. It's in the description below. Don't forget to access it and read more details in there. So that's all the best offers you should be selling on your Shopify store. Now, a lot of brands like to gravitate towards bundles, so I made a video all about bundles for you to get higher AOV ASAP. Click the video above now if you want to learn more about bundles and how to craft them for your Shopify store. I'll see you guys in there.